Thunder Drum Sound of Nature. This has the kind of emulating some of the sounds that we hear of nature, kind of used through the force of the buckets, like the thunder, the crashes, maybe even the wind howling, and then perhaps some wolves in the distance. So it kind of has everything kind of in one little package. So we have, these four up here are not drummers. They asked to play, they wanted to learn really bad, so we kind of had a selection process, and they kind of won. So Kalia Knox, Hayden Lawrence, Elizabeth Michaels, and Asher Reinhardt on bucket drums. So hope you enjoy it.